Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Abdul Ibrahim. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze and unfreeze in Excel. Okay, this is our data as you can see. So the first thing to do, if you want to freeze, you go to view and you go and click here, that's freeze. You click, as you can see this freeze top row, freeze first column. So we are going first of all freeze the top row. You just click, as you can see this is our first row. As you can see, blue row. Okay, this is our first row. We have already freeze it. So let's scroll down and see if it was freeze. As you can see, it was freeze. That's how to freeze the row in Excel. So let's unfreeze it. Let's go back here and click. Then you can see here unfreeze. You click. So let's check if it was freeze. As you can see now, it was unfreeze. So this is how to unfreeze it. Then if you want to freeze again, you go back and click here again. You can see freeze first column. Freeze first column. We are going to freeze the first column. You click. Then this is our first column, as you can see. So let's check if it was freeze. You just scroll. As you can see, it was freeze. You can see that we are scrolling, but the first column was freeze. So now let's unfreeze the first column. You go back and click here. Then you unfreeze it. You click here. So let's check if it was unfreeze. As you can see now, is no more freeze. So this is how to freeze and unfreeze in Excel. Thank you for watching.